Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 35th algorithm video, and in this video we will be seeing whether a string is an isogram or not. An isogram is a string in which no letters occur more than once. So this is the string, and we need to make first a blank dictionary. Now I print the dictionary. Now when I printed the dictionary, you can see M occurs one time, A occurs one time, each letter occurs one time. So this is basically an isogram, but we need to finish with the algorithm. I make a flag variable and I give it a value of 0. Then I iterate through the dictionary in dict dot values. If frequency is not equal to 1, then I update the flag variable to 1 and I break out of the for loop. Once the for loop is completed, I check if flag is equal to 0. I print the string is an isogram. Otherwise it's not an isogram. So machine is an isogram. If I change the letter to geeks, geeks is not an isogram. Why? Because the letter E occurs twice. So that is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.